Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Today we're going to be talking about our iSmile teeth whitening system. This is a fantastic system. It's fun, it's sexy, your patients are going to love it, and I have my wonderful model here, one of my finest dental assistants, Maggie, who's going to help us demonstrate how to use the take-home whitening system, and then I'm also going to show you briefly how to do an in-office treatment. So, Maggie, I'm going to hand you this. This is your light that you use to lighten the teeth. You can plug it into the enclosed power bank, or what a lot of our patients like to do is just plug it right into their cell phone. And the nice thing about using your cell phone is you have it with you all the time. So you can use this while you're driving, while you're home, wherever you are. You don't have to be searching around for the power bank. So that's a great feature of our new iSmile whitening system. So what you do is you're going to do 16-minute treatment, 8 minutes. You'll take it off, you put a little bit more on, do it for another 8 minutes, and you can do that once, twice, 3 times a day, as often as you want at home. And all you do is take our little whitening gel pen, and you just twist it until the gel comes out of the end, which it is. Brush it on those. Look at her teeth, are so beautiful to begin with. But we just put a little bit of the whitening gel right on the teeth, and we'll put a little on your lowers as well. And you get a lot of gel in here, so you get about 10 treatments with just one of these little pens, and we give you 4 pens with the kit, so there's lots of gel. Go ahead and put that in your mouth, and you're going to hold that in your mouth again for 8 minutes. You can set the timer on your phone, or you can just keep track of it on your watch. And if you use the handy power bank, that will stop after the 8-minute period automatically. So that's how you do a take-home whitening. It's very simple, like I said. It's easy to use. You get the effects of an in-office treatment really with the at-home whitening using the iSmile light. You feeling anything? No pain? Oh, the great thing about iSmile is we have 0 post-op sensitivity, no zingers whatsoever. We've been using this now for almost a year. Our patients have 0 complaints of sensitivity, whether it's an in-office treatment or the take-home. So now we're going to switch to the take-home kit, and I'm going to show you what's in that. If we were going to treat her with with an in-office treatment, she just finished the take-home, but if we were going to treat her in the office with an in-office treatment, what we would do first is we would use our handy retractors, which you put in the patient's mouth to retract the cheeks. And then you would, I'm not going to do the actual procedure on her, I'm just going to show you. We use our block-out material, and we paint that on the gums. Then, of course, light cure it, just like you would normally. You just cure the block-out material. You paint it in between each tooth and on the vestibule so that you don't get any of the stronger strength whitening gel on the gums. Then we go ahead and use our 44% carbamide peroxide whitening gel, which is an in-office professional strength. You never send a patient home with this. This is for use in the office. And it also comes in at 36%. So we have both different strengths to use. So we apply that gel on the teeth, and then again, we go ahead and put that iSmile light right back in her mouth, bite together, and she'll sit there and have the in-office treatment. We do 3 16-minute sessions for this treatment. So it would be a total of 48 minutes of treatment time in the office. But you take a break, you clean off the gel after the 16 minutes, and you reapply it 3 times to get the desired whitening effect. The results are fantastic, the patients love it, and again, no zingers. There's no whitening system out there that can compete with this because we have 0 post-op sensitivity. It's a special formula that prevents those zingers. So I really highly encourage you to try our iSmile teeth whitening system. Your patients will love it, your staff will love it. I'm also including a link below so you can click on that and you'll see a video demonstration of the entire in-office treatment. And in my office, we do incentives. If you sell this, you get special incentives. I encourage you to do something like that for your hygienists and your staff members. Thank you again for joining us on this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin. Give us a call at Shatkin First to order your iSmile package, and we're doing a promo, so be sure to ask for our promo on them.